Hot. Meghan's new lies about Samantha exposed as her lawyers reprimanded by judge at Florida court. Meghan's estranged half-sister Samantha was in court in Florida on Wednesday to try to secure a trial in the libel case against the Duchess. However, this person's life was not present in court. Samantha Marl claimed Meghan defamed her in 2021 in an Oprah Winfrey interview and in the 2022 Netflix series. Some claims say Meghan implied she was an impostor, a scam opportunist, and a charlatan in interviews. She's seeking damages in excess of $75,000 and claims that Meghan's comments caused her to lose sales of a book, The Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister, and it caused professional and social harm to her and her associations. Samantha's lawyer claims that his client, who has multiple sclerosis and uses a wheelchair, has been harassed since Meghan's interview and is afraid to leave her own home. Meghan's lawyer argued that Samantha's case was baseless and that none of Meghan's statements were lies. Samantha was in court in Tampa, Florida on Wednesday, November 8th, to hear from Judge Charlene Honeywell, who heard arguments from former royals' attorneys on why the case should be dismissed. The ruling revealed that a written order marking Judge Honeywell's final decision will be issued at some point in the coming days or weeks in the Florida judicial system. There is no deadline for deciding a motion. Meghan's lawyers claim that Samantha is a charlatan, an opportunist, and a fraud. Meghan's lawyers raved and cited data. They wanted to claim that Boozy has no connection to Meghan, even though Archie clearly stated and shared his data. According to a source, Meghan's former lawyer is being reprimanded by the judge for changing the words in public statements Meghan made about Samantha, and she must apologize to the judge. Not very confident, not very inspiring. Don't think the judge won't take that kind of blatant manipulation into account. She would actually be an accurate representation of this manipulative role. Meghan uses everyday life to rewrite any history she doesn't like. What Meghan's lawyer did was wrong, or rather changing words and witness statements that are illegal to do, as I would say, go out. Are they trying to lose their license? Meghan used a coordinated group and system to attack and destroy Samantha's reputation. Everything the falsely accused drunk did to Meghan is exactly what Jack runs Elio Hall and the Sussexes did to Samantha to stop her book sales and defame and harass her. A source from supposedly Mr. F on Twitter also said that Meghan's lawyers tried to omit words from Meghan's statement and tried to pretend that Archewell was not an executive producer of the Netflix series. Meghan's lawyer had to apologize to Judge Honeywell. Meghan Markle is fully responsible for all the silly, false, and fraudulent claims he made in the Netflix series. She is the executive producer, and Honeywell will, of course, acknowledge that fact. All of the malicious defamatory lies that Meghan told will be discovered. Now we wait for the judge's decision. Samantha's lawyer said last time it took 2 months. Hopefully it won't be dismissed, and Meghan will finally be held accountable for all the hurtful defamatory lies that have completely damaged Samantha over the years. Meghan and many attorneys were quite rude to Samantha and always believed that she was making a fool of herself by suing. Well, now Meghan has a problem. The case continues. She was bothering the judge while talking to reporters outside the court. I think the truth stands on its own. I'm optimistic and grateful that we have a justice system that allows us the opportunity to present the truth, she told America. So she said that Meghan heard her say that they weren't close as children, but told Fox 13 that people, of course, change. They have gender. They have other things that affect their lives. It doesn't change reality.